Hey, hello. In this part, we are going to take a look at testing for bypassing authentication schemes, how we can test for bypassing authentication schemes. Okay, so applications may contain flaws allowing unauthorized access by means of bypassing the authentication measures in place. So bypassing techniques include a direct page request, that is first browsing, parameter modification, session ID prediction, and SQL injection. And for the purpose of this part, we will use parameter modification. Okay, so what we are going to do is to add and edit parameters in an unauthenticated request to match a previously captured authenticated request. Okay, replay the modified unauthenticated request to gain access to the application through bypassing the login mechanism. Okay, so let us take a look at how we can do it. Okay, so what we can do now is to open our Firefox browser, and we are going to open it. Then inside our Firefox browser, we are going to navigate to the homepage of the OWASP Matilde 2. Okay, so you should make sure that your virtual machine, your OWASP BUA VM is running, and we are going to navigate to our. So let us navigate to our OWASP BUA homepage, and then in the OWASP BUA homepage, make sure, as you can see here, you should note the IP address of my VM, of my OWASP BUA VM. Okay, we are going to navigate to the OWASP Matilde 2. Okay, so after going there, so here we are going to get this error that potential security risk. Okay, because we are navigating to an HTTP site instead of HTTPS. We are going to click on advanced, then accept the risk and continue. Okay, so from there you should make sure that you are logged out. Okay, you should make sure that you are logged out, so we are going to click on log out. Okay, so let us click log out. You should make sure that you are logged out. Okay, so as you can see, we are now logged out. Okay, so as you can see, user logged out. Okay, so we are now logged out. Okay, so after logging out, we are going to go inside the burp proxy, then HTTP story tab. So let us go inside burp. So we are going to go under the proxy, then HTTP history. Then from there, we are going to select the request we just made. Okay, so here we have the request. Let us look for it. So we made a request. So we didn't make a request while browsing to the page when we are not authenticated. So let us go back and we navigate to this page again. So let us go on the home page. So in the home page, right now, as you can see here, we are now on the home page. Okay, as you can see right now. Okay, so you should make sure that you are not logged in. Okay, so as you can see, not logged in. Okay, as you can see. So after navigating to this home page, what we are going to do is we are going to go back in burp. We are going to go in burp proxy HTTP history, and we are going to look for that request we made. Okay, for the home page. Okay, and we are going to look for it. It's here. Where is it? It's Matilde, then index. Where is it? Let us scroll down. It's right here. So to avoid confusions, what we are going to do is we are going to highlight this one. So click on the last request, and then right click, and we are going to highlight it. Okay, so we are going to choose highlight, and we are going to highlight that last request. Okay, so that we differentiate between the request we have made and the previous requests. Okay, so which means the request that we make is going to be above this highlighted one. Okay, so we are going to go back in Firefox, and we are going to go back. We are going to refresh the home page. Just click on the home page again, or you can just refresh here. Okay, so from there we are going to go back in Burpsuite, and as you can see, there are multiple requests that were made. Okay, as you can see, but the one we need is this one here, Matilde / index php.php page home.php. This one here, it's the one that we need. Okay, so from there we're going to select this request we just made. while browsing to the home page. So we are going to select it. And from there, let us just send to the intruder. So from there, we are going to highlight. After selecting it, we are going to right click, and then we are going to send to the intruder. Okay, no, not to the intruder, but to the repeater. Okay, so we are going to select, and then we send to the repeater. Okay, so from there, we are going to go. So using this same request and location, we can right click again, and we are going to send to the comparer. Okay, we are going to send to the comparer request, like that. Okay, so in the comparer, we have that request there, as you can see, and also in the repeater, we have that request. Okay, we have that request there. It's right here, as you can see. It's right there. Okay, like that. Pop-up notification, blah blah blah, like that. Okay, so we have those. We have that copy. We have that copy in both tabs. Okay, so we are going to return to the home page of our browser, and then we are going to go back, and then we return, and we are going to click on login, register. So after clicking there, we are going to log in with the username with the name of admin, and then the password is going to be let us add the password admin. Also admin, these are valid credentials. Okay, so from there we are going to click login. Okay, so not now. Okay, so we are going to click login. After we have logged in, we are going to go ahead and log out. Okay, so make sure you press. So from there, so after logging in, we are going to go back in Burp, then proxy HTTP history. So as you can see, when we scroll down, we have made multiple requests. So let us try to highlight this one here. So let us highlight rain again, like that. So after doing that, so we are going to, after doing that, what we are going to do, we are going to go ahead and log out. Okay, so we are going to go back. So we are going to go back, and then we log out. Okay, so we are going to log out of the admin account. So click log out. Okay, so after logging out, as you can see, we have logged out. Okay, as you can see, so in the Burp, we are going to go inside. Let us go inside the Burp. So we are going to go inside the HTTP proxy HTTP history tab, and then we are going to select the request, okay, we made, okay, while logging in as admin. Okay, so that request, we are going to, it's right here. Where is it? Let us scroll down. It's right here. Pop-up Matilde, notification, login. Okay, so we have this one, and we have this one. Okay, login, this one here, it's right here, and on top we have login. Let us take a look. Let us look for it. So we logged out, and then here we logged in. Okay, so it's this one. Okay, it's this one. So here we logged in. Okay, as you can see, we logged in. Here it's right here, and then so we need this one here. Okay, so when we try to expand, yeah, it's the one that we need. We need this one here. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to go down inside our message editor, and then in the request we are going to click on send to repeater, and after sending to the repeater, so using the same request and location, we are going to right click again, and we are going to send to the comparer, like that. Okay, so make sure I send to the comparer, and it's the request. Okay, under the request. Okay, so after doing that, so we are going to go to the Burp's comparer tab. So we are going to go to the Burp's comparer tab, as you can see here. Inside the Burp's comparer tab, you should notice the two requests we sent. Okay, they are highlighted, as you can see, they are there. Okay, and as you can see, okay, Okay, so you can select them. As you can see, we can select, so they are there. Okay, they are there, that we the request that we made. Okay, so you can press the words button here. Let us get okay, so there is the words button here. There is this words button right there. Okay, as you can see, we select the this one here. We have this we are going to press the words button here on the top right hand side. Okay, so this one is going to compare the two requests, okay, at the same time. So if we click words, okay, so from there we are going to get this tab, or these two tables. Okay, so here a dialog box has displayed, and here the two requests with color coded here, as you can see. So as you can see here, a dialog pop-up displays this as have displayed, and the two requests with the color coded highlights to draw your eyes to the differences. Okay, as you can see here, the colors. Okay, so we can see the difference, okay, between the two. Okay, as you can see, home page, we have the difference, we have, okay, so as you can see, okay, but the rest are the same. Okay, so you should note the changes in the referrer header. So let us take a look at it. Where is, so here we have notification pop-up. Okay, so we have here the referrer. As you can see, it's right here. Okay, so as you can see here, you should note the changes in the referrer header and the additional name to value pairs. Okay, so as you can see, page, and as you can see, so here we have the additional name, username, admin, and yeah, as you can see here, we have name and even the admin. Okay, here, right here. Okay, and here they are placed they are pressed under the, we have let us take a look at what's going on. So here we have there's something I'm looking for. So here they are pressed under the admin account cookie. Okay, as you can see right here. Okay, account cookie, we have show ins 0, and also username admin, and also UID 1. Okay, right there. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to close the pop-up box, okay, with this button here. So we are going to close. Okay, we're going to close, and then what we are going to do is to go inside the repeater. So we are going to go inside the repeater. So we are going to return to the repeater, which contains our first get request. Okay, we performed as unauthenticated users. Okay, so prior to performing this attack, you should make sure you are completely logged out of the application. Okay, so from there what we are going to do is we are going, so you can verify you are logged out by clicking the go button in the repeater, okay, associated to your unauthenticated request. Okay, so let us go down here. So here we have unauthenticate, so here we have our request. So pop-up notification note, here we have this one here. So UID, we have username. No, it's not this one. Okay, so it's not this one. There's another one. So let us go to the first one. Okay, so when we go to the first one, as you can see, so this is the one that we need. Okay, this is the one that we need. Okay, so so to verify that we are logged out, we can click the go button, okay, in the repeater. Okay, so after clicking the go button, we are going to get this response here, this response, and then we can click on render, and then we can render. And as you can see here, let me show you very well. Okay, and as you can see, not logged in. Okay, as you can see, not logged in. So now what we are going to do, we are going to flip over to the repeater tab, okay, which contains our second get request as authenticated user, which is the admin. Okay, so we are going to go to the next one, okay, and in the next one we have admin, use admin, as you can see here. Okay, user admin. So after going to this one, what we are going to do, we are going to copy the values for the referrer header. So as you can see, we have the referrer header right here, and from there we are going to copy the values for the referrer header and the cookie from the authenticated request, okay, from this request. Okay, and this attack is parameter modification, okay, for the purpose of bypassing authentication. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to copy it. Let us copy all of it. Let us copy. We are going to copy up to nada right here. Okay, so we are going to copy all of it. Okay, so we have cross PSSID. We have even the SSID. So let us also copy the P session ID. Let us copy it also. So after copying it, so we have the cookie. The cookie is inside. We have our username, admin, and we have our UID one. We have we have even the session ID. We have even that's all that we need. Okay, that's all. So we are going to copy this one. We are going to copy our request. Let us copy it. Control copy. Okay, so we are going to copy the highlighted headers, which is the referrer and the cookie. Okay, so from the authenticated get request. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to paste those values into the unauthenticated get request. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to copy, or just right click, press Ctrl C to copy, or you can just right click and then copy like that. Okay, so from there we are going to replace the same headers into the unauthenticated get request by highlighting and right clicking and selecting paste. Okay, so we are going to right click, and then we are going to so what we are going to do, we are going to, let me check here. So what we are going to do is we are going to go in our unauthenticated request. Okay, we are going to go in our unauthenticated request, and what we are going to do is let me expand. So what we are going to do, we are going to select all of this one here. After selecting all of it, okay, we are going to right click, and then we are going to select paste. Okay, so after doing that, we are going to click this go button. We are going to click this go button to send our modified get request. Okay, and you should remember this is the first get request we performed as unauthenticated users. Okay, so we are going to click go. Okay, so after clicking go, to verify that we are now logged in as admin, we are going to go in the response render tab. So we're going to go inside the response render tab, as you can see. Okay, logged in admin. Okay, as you can see right now. Okay, logged in admin. Okay, so we are now logged in. So let us take a look at how it works. So by replacing both the token found in the cookie and the referrer value of the authenticated request into the unauthenticated request, we are able to bypass the authenticated scheme and gain unauthorized access to the application. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you have liked the video and you have subscribed, commented, and you have also shared the video. Thank you so much.